Hi Phil. So we'll just go over the sort of basics of what we're trying to do and what we're trying to change. So we'll just draw a couple of lines in here. So I think sort of main things initially are obviously just controlling how far you swing back, and where the pressure remains in your feet. Okay, so from setup, no issues at all. As we go back to this position here again, that's fine. What we kind of want to carry on feeling now is the rotation in your hips and in your chest. So like we talked about, really trying to get your back to feel like it's towards the target, and then what you should find your arms do is almost travel up this sort of line. So when the left arm's parallel to the ground, we want it to be sort of in the middle of your chest. This is where it starts to break down now, and it just really is. The body stops moving and the arms just carry on. So at this point here, we still want the hands to be a little bit further back. Oops, there we go. At this point here, it's still okay, you know. And if you could swing to that point, you know, you would hit the ball relatively consistently. This is where it really starts to go now. So if we start to see the feet moving up into that position here, to the point that you're so far off the ground and the right arm is just totally sort of detached from everything that's going on, we've just got zero chance from there. And then obviously it's just a huge swing across the ball. So really, obviously we talked about just shorten it, keeping the heels sort of planted to the ground, and really getting the upper and lower body to rotate a little bit more. So this can become the top of the swing, but we want to try and see a little bit of space between the knees, and we want this chest to carry on turning. If you can do that, we can then start to work the club back down and stay this side of the line, not this side. And you know, to be fair, you did that towards the end of the lesson. So as an example, this one on the left hand side here, obviously it's quite shorter, and all the time we're staying underneath the yellow line. Hopefully that makes sense. Any questions at all?